Hi everyone, this is Sunny Kumar from Mathematics and Computing Part 2 from IIT BHU, and I am back again with the daily problem of LeetCode Explore. And today the day is February 3rd and the problem name is linked list cycle. So in this question basically we have been given the head of the linked list and we have to return true or false accordingly if there is a cycle in the linked list. So basically we have to detect if there is a cycle in the linked list, there is a loop or a cycle, both are actually same in the linked list. Then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. So how we are going to do this question in most efficient way, so let us understand this. Also there is also a suggestion that is given, can we solve it using O of 1 memory, that is using a constant memory. So how we are going to solve this, let us understand this mathematically. Okay, so we are going to use following the question suggestion, that is using constant memory. So we are going to use Floyd cycle finding algorithm. So what is Floyd cycle finding algorithm? So let us understand this first. So what we are going to do in this case is we are going to take two pointers, that is slow and fast, and we are going to assign slow as the linked list head and also fast as linked list head, and each time we are going to increment slow by one move and the fast by two move. And if there is a loop in a linked list, then the slow and fast pointer must coincide with each other. Otherwise, if slow and fast pointer doesn't coincide, then it is obvious that there is not a loop in the linked list. So how we are going to prove this? How we are going to say that if slow and fast pointer coincides, then there is a loop in the linked list. Let us understand this also first. Okay, suppose here slow pointer is at this position and fast pointer is at this position. Now suppose slow and fast pointers enters in a loop, then enters in a loop of length n. Then suppose initially they both have a distance of 1, that is, as you can see here, they both have a distance of one node here. Now each time what we are doing is we are going to increment slow pointer by 1 and fast pointer by 2. So as you can notice here that the distance between slow pointer and fast pointer is going to increase by 1 each and every time. You can see here, that is, the distance between slow pointer and fast pointer is of one node distance, and in this case you can see distance between the fast pointer and slow pointer is of two node distance, and in this case you can see the distance between the fast pointer and slow pointer is of 1 2 3 3 node distance, and here it coincides. So if slow and fast pointers are moving in a loop, moving in a cycle of length n, and each time we are going to increment our slow pointer by 1 and correspondingly the fast pointer by 2, then the distance between the slow pointer and fast pointer is always going to increase. That is, as you can see here, slow, there is one node distance, two node distance, three node distance, and when the distance between slow pointer and fast pointer equals to the length n, that is the length of the loop, then we can claim that there is a loop in the linked list, and we are going to return true as our answer. So this is the basic logic of this question, and this algorithm is the very fastest algorithm to find the cycle in the linked list and using constant memory, because as you can see we are not using memory here. Okay, so we are going to use this algorithm, Floyd cycle finding algorithm, to do this question. So basically there are more approaches to do this question. Let me discuss the hashing based approach, which is also using memory. So for hashing based approach, what we are going to do is we are going to maintain a hash map which is going to store the addresses of the nodes, and where we are going to iterate to the linked list, and also we are going to store the addresses of the previous nodes. And whenever we encounter, suppose here is the cycle, as you can see, 3 4 5 again 2. Now whenever we encounter a node whose address is already present in the hash map, then we can claim that we have found a linked list cycle, that is, we have found a cycle here. And if we are going to traverse the linked list and we have encountered a null value, that is the at the end of the linked list, and there is not an entry present in the hash map, or then we can say that there is not a loop present here. So this was the hashing based approach of this question. So this is actually taking memory, and we are going to follow this constraint. That is, we can we solve using O of one constant memory. So I have discussed also the Floyd cycle finding algorithm using fast and slow pointers. Okay, so let me also move to the question approach how we are going to do this. So our step one would be define two pointers slow and fast, and we are going to loop until slow pointer is not null and fast pointer is also not null and fast pointers next is also not null. So okay, now every time we are going to increment slow pointer by one and then fast pointer by two times. Note that this is very important statement of the Floyd cycle finding algorithm, because each time fast pointer and the slow pointer distance is going to increase, and if they are moving in a cycle of length n, then it is obvious that they are going to coincide, and if there is not a cycle, then these two pointers will never coincide with each other. Okay, and anytime if slow pointer coincides with the first pointer, as you can see, it signifies there is cycle or loop in the linked list, then we have to return true here as it is. And if slow pointer and fast pointer will never coincides and while loop breaks, then there isn't a cycle in the linked list. Okay, now the main thing is time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the linked list, and auxiliary space, as you can see, we are not using a space, we are using only pointers here to approach to our answer. So our auxiliary space would be O of 1. So this is the very fastest algorithm to find the linked list cycle. Okay, so let us move on to the code section. So here if head is already null, then we can say that if there is not a node, then there is not even a cycle present in the linked list, so we are going to return false, that is there is not a cycle here. So also now we are using Floyd cycle finding algorithm to find a cycle in the linked list. So we are defining a two pointer slow head and fast. We are also assigning fast as head. This is our second pointer. So what we are doing here, we are going to check if slow is not null, that is it is not a null value, and fast is also not null, and fast next is also not null. What we are going to do is we are going to increment slow by one, and we are going to increment fast by two times, and we are assigning it again to the fast. And if they are moving in a cycle of length n, then the distance between slow pointer and fast pointer is always going to increase, and if they are moving in a cycle, then it is obvious that both are going to coincide according to the Floyd cycle finding algorithm. Okay, then we are going to return true here as it is, because we have found the cycle here. Okay, so we are going to return true here, otherwise we are going to return false here. So this is very tricky question that uses Floyd cycle finding algorithm to find the cycle in the linked list in O of one constant memory. So let me run this code and check out. Okay, the code is accepted, and this has very faster using faster method. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please do not forget to mention in the comment section of the video, and I will ask the viewers to like this video, share this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.